PMLN MPA Saiful Malook Khokhar has filed a contempt of court plea in Lahore High Court after district administration demolished parts of Khokhar Palace on Sunday 24th of January. He argued that authorities demolished his residence despite court's stay order. He asked the court to start contempt of court hearing against DG LDA and others nominated. PMLN leaders have decided to stage protest during Punjab Assembly session against the demolition. Government has bulldozed the legal construction at Khokhar Palace. Authorities pulled 13 shops and a number of temporary huts down in order to recover 27,225 square yards of land that officials say was encroached upon. The main Khokhar Palace, built on 79,255 square yards, was left intact. PML maintained Khokhar was targeted for standing with Nawaz Sharif. Vice President PMLN Maryam Nawaz stated, "One law for the powerful that legalizes the illegal palace of Banigala, the other law for the opponents."